Number 28. One morning a man was crossing a narrow bridge when he saw a fisherman on the shady bank of the deep, smooth river under him, so he stopped to watch him quietly. After a few minutes, the fisherman pulled his line in. There was a big, fat fish at the end of it. The fisherman took it off the hook and threw it back into the water. Then he put his hook and line in again. After a few more minutes, he caught another big fish. Again, he threw it back into the river. Then the third time, he caught a small fish. He put it into his basket and started to get ready to go. The man on the bridge was very surprised, so he spoke to the fisherman. He said, "Why did you throw those beautiful big fish back into the water and keep only that small one?" The fisherman looked up and answered, "Small frying pan."
Now answer these questions. Number 1. Why did the first man in this story stop on the bridge? Number 2. What did the fisherman do when he caught the first fish? Number 3. What did he do when he caught the second? Number 4. What did he do when he caught the third? Number 5. Why didn't he keep the first 2 fish?